everyone, welcome to Alina's Fashion. Today we're going to be talking about this beautiful shirt and its trouser. So welcome to Alina's Fashion. If you are new, subscribe to our channel. The link to this video is down. Watch how to cut this particular shirt and its trouser. Okay, so I'm going to be using this pattern for this shirt. So if you've not watched it, please do yourself the favor of watching this video. Okay, it will guide you on how to cut this particular shirt and the trouser. So this is the trouser, okay, and I'm placing it like so on the fabric. So I just secure it with this whatever. So I'm cutting out according to the pattern. So this is the close part of the pattern. Okay, so I'll cut like this. Just make sure you follow the pattern and cut. Okay, if you know that you want to make it lengthy, you can add, like me, I'm going to be adding to the hem of this trouser. So when you open it, you have something like this, okay, for the trouser. So what you do, you just flip it like this, the right side to the right side, and you pin it down. Okay, you pin it down for the trousers. Okay, then you do same for the other side. We are going to be sewing from the hem like this. Okay, so you just pin it down. First thing first, you just pin it down. Okay, and then the first way, this we are going to be sewing from the crotch area. So I'm going to be pinning the crotch like this also. You pin the crotch like so. Just watch the way I'm going to be pinning the crotch area. You just pin it down like this. When you finish pinning the front, you flip it over and then you pin the back. So just pin it like this, flip it over and pin the same. Okay, so after pinning the crotch, we'll sew it. So this is it. So the other pattern, this is the back pattern. Okay, I'll be cutting it on fold. This is open and this other place is closed. The back pattern will be cut on fold of 2. So this is me cutting out the back pattern, okay, the back bodies of this shirt or the jacket. So this is it. So I'm going to be cutting the front pattern also. So this is the back pattern full view. This is the front pattern also, where this side is open. So I'll place it like this. It doesn't matter whether both sides are open. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to be opening both sides. So just follow the pattern like this and then give that edge a curve. So just cut it gently, give this place the curve at the front, and then here we go. This is for the front pattern and it's open like so. So this is it. So for the back, this is how it is. Okay, so I'm going to be placing the front on the back like this. Okay, so this is how it will be. So we'll start sewing from the shoulder. Okay, so this is how it will look when you flip it open like this. Fold the sleeve in 4. Okay, this is a 4 fabrics. So I'm placing the pattern like so. And then I'm going to increase the length. If you like, you can increase yours. So I'll cut it like this. Okay, I'm adding this length to it. Okay, so this is it for the sleeves. These are for the both sleeves of the jacket. So this is it for the trouser. I'm going to be adding this fabric also at the hem. So just add it. I'll show you how to add it. So for the sewing, you sew the shoulder first. So this is it. I'm sewing the shoulder. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new to Alina's Fashion. We give you tutorials on babies wear, adult wears, and how to maintain your sewing machine. So please click the subscription button if you are new to this channel. We are going to be sewing the sleeve. Okay, so after the shoulder, you just attach the sleeves, you pin it like so. Look at the way I'm pinning it. Then you sew it gently. Okay, so I've pinned it both sleeves. So I'm going to be arranging it like this so that I'll be able to sew it. I've sewn this part, okay? This is it, it's sewn. And I'm going to be sewing this other part. So just sew it gently. I'm moving the pins as I sew. So just sew it gently. Then I'm going to be showing you the next step. Okay. So I'm opening it like so. So this is how it's going to look after sewing both sleeves. You attach it like this, fold the sleeve, okay, and when you do the sleeve, just fold it like this and sew, okay, or you pin it down. I'm going to be pinning it down. I've pinned it down, okay. I'm going to be pinning this other side also. So first of all, you just sew the sleeve before you sew the sides, okay. So basically just sew the sleeve before you pin it down, and then you sew the sides. So yeah, I'm going to be sewing the sleeve, okay. I'm going to be sewing the sleeve, then I'll just pin the sides and sew it straight down. So this is it. Very simple. Welcome to Alina's fashion. So after that, you just fold it like this and then you sew this side down. The armhole, the sleeve, the armhole down to the jacket. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to be sewing it down. So this is a vivid way of sewing a jacket. You can try this. This baby's shirt is very beautiful. This shirt and trouser is a must have for every child. They deserve this. So we are still sewing and removing the pins gently. So this is the outcome. The outcome is fabulous. So I'll be doing this other part. You can cut your children wears. You can get the pattern from the previous video. I've done a video of how to cut this shirt and the trouser. So I'm just sewing this part. So for the trouser, I'm going to be attaching this for the hem, okay, to lengthen the trouser. Okay, so this is how to put it. Right side facing right side, so that when you flip it over, you get something like this. So just pin it and sew it. Okay, so the crotch area has been sewn. Okay, so this is it. Then I've pinned down the trouser. The This is the crotch. I'm going to be pinning it down like this. Okay, so I'm sewing from here straight to this other ankle. Okay, so just make sure you position it very well, pin it and sew it like this straight from one ankle to the other. So this is it. This part, make sure it's well positioned. Okay, you sew it, okay, and you're basically done with the trouser. Then we're going to be inserting the elastic, okay, at the waist. So this is the elastic. So just come to the center of the waist, okay, the back, and then measure 1.5 inches from the waist. Okay, so this is 1.5 inches, okay, that I'll be measuring from the waist. Then I'm going to be attaching the elastic there. You can stretch the elastic all the way for the back trouser, or you can just make it the way you want it. Okay, you can just cut the elastic halfway. or you can just stretch it all the way from the back. So I'm going to be doing 4 inches of this elastic unfold. Now stretch and I'll sew. Okay, stretch it as you sew, and I'm going to be using zigzag stitch on it. If you've not seen this video of how to cut this, look at it in the bow. You see the link. Get the video and enjoy. So this is it. I'm going to be stretching this elastic and then I'll be sewing it in zigzag way. Okay, so this is it. Fold and sew the trouser after this. So these zigzag stitches allow the elastic to stretch very well. Okay, so this is it for the elastic. Okay, then for the shirt, we're going to be pinning this bias down. Okay, so I've pinned it down. I'm going to sew it like this. After sewing the bias, I attach another black fabric at the waist. So this is it. Beautiful jacket and its trouser for children, newborn, okay, to age 2. Thank you for watching.